and I'm going to pull a card and see what we're going to do an energy healing on. Thank you all for being here, being so active. I really appreciate you and your time. Okay, the card is core values. Hone in on your purpose and your values. So I feel like Spirit's throwing me a curveball. So for friends who are new here, inside of the Mastery and Ascension membership, I channel a guided energy healing every single month. It's so affordable. You'll have access to hundreds of energy healings. Plus, we have an amazing community in there. And it's definitely a place that people come to do deep healing, heal from burnout, heal from overwhelm, reset their nervous system. It's for conscious leaders. It's for entrepreneurs. It's for folks who are wanting to have a business. I've been doing energy healing for over 25 years. So it's really one of my favorite things to do. So if you enjoy this, you will for sure enjoy being part of Mastery and Ascension. There should be links below. Okay, core values, hone in on your purpose and your values. So let's just take a moment, take a few deep breaths in and out. I would invite you to put your feet flat on the floor if you can. Root down through the soles of your feet. Feel the bottoms of your feet really making contact with the ground. And there's this energy of almost just kind of like, I'm seeing almost like a lava lamp, just like all that whooshy energy just kind of stopping. It's kind of just falling all the way down to the bottom and just stopping. Give yourself a breath in stillness. Beautiful. Feel the energy shift. And we call in the most beautiful, crystalline, pure white healing light, filled with the highest healing vibrations. And we ask that this light surround this space, sealing it as a sacred healing space, allowing you to receive everything that you require from this session, allowing you to open up for your next level of peace, of alignment, of ease, of joy. And we call in your highest self. We call in your highest guidance and angels, highest archangels, teachers, masters, ancestors, to be present with you, surrounding you, supporting you, loving you, embracing you, acting as a source. Imagine you're surrounded by 100 guardian angels, and all of them are sourcing God energy, light energy, universal energy, whatever you want to name it. Beautiful, pure energy coming right down from heaven, down through them and reaching out towards you, surrounding you in this beautiful bubble of healing energy. We ask this light to surround you and also to fill your body, filling every cell and every molecule. Imagine this light is filled not just with white light, but with colors. Calling in any colors that your body, your energy field require right now to bring you into full harmony and balance. We're really activating new dimensions here, these new vibrations that are coming in. Thank you, and so be it. We're calling in your core values, calling in your soul's purpose. And your guides are taking me into your heart and beyond. So it's almost like we're starting in the center of your chest in your heart chakra. This is the center where you give and receive unconditional love. But then they're opening this up, straight up through the spinal column, up through the crown chakra, up through the heavens, all the way out into outer space, into the universe, into this universal energetic space where there is no space and time. You are out in this quantum field, out without form, connecting in with your soul's origin, Whew. There's this moment where it's your brain is recognizing and remembering where you came from. Your soul is remembering and recognizing where you came from. There's this opening where your soul was born. It initiated, that first awareness began. And Spirit is saying, you never forget where you come from. There's this energy here. Just take your time connecting with your soul's origin, connecting with your soul's purpose. It's so simple. It's so pure. And it's all yours. Your guides are showing me almost like they're handing over this soft, almost like an egg-shaped orb, handing it over from their hands to your hands. This is yours. This is just yours. This is your soul's purpose. You can take it with you. And if you're having difficulty connecting with what does that mean? What is this purpose? Ask your highest guidance to interpret it for you. Please, can you interpret this? Can you please tell me clearly what this means, my purpose is? And thanking them. Taking this beautiful gift of your purpose, internalizing it, bringing it all the way back with you as you drop down from outer space, coming all the way back in through crown chakra, bringing this purpose, this gift in here with you, right down through crown chakra, all the way down through the spinal column, coming back down into your heart space and holding this gift of your purpose in your heart space. And remembering, no matter what this purpose is, it's yours. You chose it as much as it chose you. And this is the lifetime for you to work on this. You're not here by coincidence or by accident. You were put here and you chose to be here. Remembering why you chose to be here, remembering why you chose adversity and challenges and family and relationships and circumstances and all of this stuff that feels difficult, but ultimately it strengthens your purpose. Giving thanks to those things, those people who help remember who you are, help remind you. And for the folks who are still overthinking this, opening up, you know your purpose, just like you know when things are hot or cold. Your guides are saying it's not that complicated. You know when you touch a surface, if it is hot and you take your hand away, you know when it's going to be cold. You can understand what you like and what you don't like. If there's a flavor that you discover, you try a flavor of ice cream, you put in your mouth and you go, oh, I like this, or oh, I don't like this. Your purpose is that simple too. You already know it. You can align with people and things and work and scenarios and connections because you already are drawn to it. Don't overthink it, they're saying. Dropping back into your heart, let's activate all of your 7 main chakras, bringing beautiful white healing light down from heaven, down from source, down into crown, bringing it into its perfection, into third eye, front and back in its perfection, throat chakra in its perfection, heart chakra in its perfection, solar plexus in its perfection, sacral chakra in its perfection, root chakra in its perfection, bringing your entire energetic field into harmony and balance with your soul's purpose, with your highest self, with this angelic team, opening up, clearing, repairing, aligning your entire auric field, releasing any tears, cords, anything that doesn't serve you at your highest level, completely clearing your energetic container now. Beautiful. And bringing you into your highest alignment. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Bringing your attention back into your heart, hands over your heart, just holding your heart, giving gratitude for this space, your guides, this work, the wisdom and messages that have come through. Gratitude for keeping your soul's purpose light, fun, easy. Remembering who you are, where you came from, and your own excellence. Gratitude for yourself, for the space. Gratitude for everybody who has done this meditation here and now and in the future. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take a nice long deep breath in. Nice slow exhale out. When you're ready, bring your attention back to the soles of your feet on the ground, really grounding yourself. Coming back all the way into your physical body and blinking your eyes open, coming all the way back to the space. Beautiful. So if that was your first time meditating with me or that type of meditation, warm welcome. You did a great job. One thing to be aware of is that we just did a tremendous amount of energy healing. We went way out and came way back, and there could be information that's still working on you, some energy codes that are still working on you. So be mindful of that. Drink extra water, go outside after you listen to this, get yourself grounded, perhaps journal. Epsom salt baths always feel great to integrate your energy. And listen to yourself, listen to your heart. You've been given this gift, and there's a reason why you had to remember today. Pass on the good vibes, pass on the goodness. If this was enjoyable, share it with a friend, tell somebody about it. Thank you all for being here and bringing this beautiful energy. It was fantastic to be able to do this live with all of you. You know, I channel. So as you could probably see if you were watching me, my eyes are closed the whole time. I'm not reading the script. I didn't make it up and write it before I started this. This is what I do. So I connect with energy, and I'm like a garden hose, if you will, to spirit. I'm just a clear conduit. Spirit comes through me and I deliver it to you. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you like and subscribe, share with a friend. Lots of love. See you all soon.